toss at the National Bank Cricket Stadium. Alongside me, I've got the match referee, Mr. Roshan Mahanama, captain for Quetta Gladiators, Sarfaraz Ahmed, and for the home team, Karachi Kings, Imad Wasim. Imad, you got the coin?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Tails.
Tails is the call. And it is heads.
It is not a tails, it is a head. Karachi Kings have won the toss. Imad, what are you going to do?
We're going to ball first.
Any particular reason?
Not really. I think this is the first match wicket. It's a very good wicket, and when the dew comes in, it gets even better. So we try to restrict them as low as possible, because early on something happened in the wicket, either kept low. So we are hoping.
You're hoping against hope to break the jinx as well. 2 losses now to start off. What areas have you identified in terms of producing a win here?
We have been playing very good cricket. I think in the first game we were bowling well. We didn't bat well. Second game I thought we batted well but didn't bowl well. So it's just we are trying to get the right combination, and it's the start of the tournament. I think we have the team to get deep in the tournament still.
So what is the right combination tonight for you guys?
Today Imran Bhai is back, and Amir Yamin is back instead of Fuller and Musa Khan.
All right, Imad, good luck for today. Thanks for chatting to us. Sarfaraz, if you had won the toss, what would you have done?
डेफिनेटली मैं भी बॉलिंग करता, क्योंकि आपको पता है कराची की हिस्ट्री रही है कि चेजिंग यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर रहा है. तो कोई बात नहीं, बैटिंग करेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे अच्छा टारगेट सेट करें और फिर उसको डिफेंड करें.
मुश्किल सवाल होता है कि वो अच्छा टारगेट कितना होता है. हमने देखा 200 पे 2 रन पीछे रह गए थे. आपके दिमाग में एक अच्छा टारगेट क्या हो सकता है?
देखिए, कहीं भी अगर आप मैच खेलते हैं तो 2 अच्छी टीमें जब खेल रही होती है 170 प्लस या 180 प्लस जितना भी टारगेट होता है वो अच्छा होता है, अगर आपके पास बॉलिंग और फील्डिंग अच्छी है तो.
आपकी टीम में आज कोई चेंजेस? पहला मैच आपने मुल्तान में खेला.
जी बिल्कुल, 2 चेंजेस हैं. कैस अहमद और उसके अलावा जो है ओडियन इसमें जो है टीम में वापस आए हैं. हफीज़ भाई और नुमान तुषार आज नहीं मैच खेल रहे.
Alright, Sarfaraz, thank you very much and good luck for today.
Thank you.
So the news from the center is that the Karachi Kings have won the toss and they will have a bowl first.